Hey there! Welcome back to Self-Value Tube, the channel that's all about empowering you to live your absolute best life. Today, we're about to supercharge your mornings and catapult your entire day to greatness. Are you ready to unleash the power of a high-protein breakfast for weight loss? Are you set to explore 13 mouth-watering breakfast ideas that won't just help you shed those extra pounds, but will also turbocharge your weight loss journey? If that's a yes, then you'd better stay glued to your screen till the very end. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. So let's fire up your day the right way and make every single effort count. Number 1. Greek Yogurt Parfait. We're kicking off with a delicious and nutritious breakfast option, Greek Yogurt Parfait. This breakfast dish is not just a delight to your taste buds, but also a protein-rich meal to start your day right. It's not just the creaminess and richness that make it the favorite of many. It's the fullness and satisfaction it brings that makes it a top choice for those aiming to lose weight. Now let's delve into the health benefits. Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that maintain a healthy gut, which is important for better digestion and thereby weight loss. And let's not forget about calcium. This mineral is vital for muscle function and also contributes to weight management. All these, protein, probiotics, and calcium, come together in Greek yogurt, making it a 3-in-1 powerhouse breakfast staple. But there's more. We're also going to share with you some creative ways to whip up your parfait. From topping it with antioxidant-rich berries to adding healthful nuts and a dash of honey for a touch of natural sweetness, we've got you covered. These tips will help you tailor your Greek yogurt parfait to not only keep your breakfasts exciting, but also in tune with your weight loss ambitions. Preparing this breakfast is very simple. All you need is some Greek yogurt, your preferred fruits, and a handful of granola for an extra crunch. Layer them up in a glass and there you have it. Your Greek yogurt parfait is set to be savored. Next up, number 2, scrambled eggs with veggies. This classic breakfast dish might seem simple, but it's much more than that. It's a protein-rich weight loss powerhouse. By scrambling some eggs and tossing in your preferred veggies, you're not just preparing a delicious start to your day, you're also ingesting essential amino acids required for various functions, including maintaining and building lean muscle mass. Why does this matter for weight loss? Simply because muscle incinerates more calories than fat, so a higher muscle mass enhances your metabolism and assists in eliminating those extra pounds. Now let's focus on the veggies in your scrambled eggs. These add an enticing layer of flavor to your breakfast, while also delivering a plethora of essential vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients contribute to your overall health and well-being, making your weight loss journey less about merely losing weight and more about nourishing your body. Therefore, scrambled eggs with veggies isn't just a tasty breakfast, it's a nutrient-dense option that keeps you satiated and aids your weight loss aspirations. For our third feature, we have the quinoa breakfast bowl. This isn't just about jumping on a popular trend, it's about embracing the power of a superfood. Here's why quinoa is so special. It's a complete protein, packed with all the vital amino acids your body craves. Kickstarting your morning with a protein-packed ingredient like quinoa gives your body the essential nutrients it needs to build muscle and keep you in tip-top shape. But that's not all. Quinoa is also a treasure trove of dietary fiber, a key player in weight management. Fiber aids digestion and keeps you feeling satiated, curbing the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks later. And if that isn't impressive enough, quinoa brings along a host of vitamins and minerals, enhancing your overall wellness. So, a quinoa breakfast bowl isn't just about your day, it's about launching your weight loss mission with a nutrition-packed punch. How does one prepare a quinoa breakfast bowl? It's simple. Cook some quinoa, toss in a handful of fruits and nuts, and finish it off with a sweet honey drizzle. It's a substantial and nutritious breakfast alternative. Now let's delve into another great choice. Number 4, oatmeal with nut butter. We're not merely introducing it as a morning dish, we're explaining the rationale behind its benefits. Oats brim with soluble fiber, especially a variety known as beta-glucans. Wondering how it translates to your weight loss ambitions? Well, beta-glucans have demonstrated efficacy in curbing hunger and promoting a feeling of fullness. This could be a pivotal factor in controlling your daily calorie consumption. The story doesn't end here. Butter, whether almond, peanut, or any other variant, infuses your oatmeal with a shot of wholesome fats and extra protein. Wholesome fats, like the monounsaturated fats present in nut butter, have been associated with improved weight management. They can assist in satiating your hunger and avoid overeating. Furthermore, protein is integral to weight loss. It not only induces a sense of fullness, but but also burns more calories during digestion compared to fats or carbohydrates. So here's how to prepare it. Just cook your oats, stir in a spoonful of your preferred nut butter, and top it off with some fresh fruits. Therefore, oatmeal with nut butter isn't just a warm and soothing breakfast, it's a tactical selection for your weight loss endeavor that keep you full, content, and on the right path. Our fifth stop is the delightful cottage cheese pancakes. But these are no common pancakes. The secret ingredient, cottage cheese, morphs this traditional breakfast dish into a treat packed with nutrients. But what makes cottage cheese so effective weight loss? It all boils down to its protein content. This cheese is bursting with high-quality protein and is a complete protein source, fulfilling all the essential amino acids your physique requires. It's a superb pick to build and preserve lean muscle. As your weight drops, it's vital to retain muscle because it aids in maintaining a higher metabolic rate, implying that you burn more calories even while idle. But there's more. Cottage cheese also lends a velvety texture to your pancakes and a dash of calcium, associated with a reduced risk of weight gain. Cottage cheese pancakes are not just a breakfast meal, they are a delicious way to support your weight loss journey. Mix cottage cheese with eggs and flour to create the batter for these protein-rich pancakes, then prepare your pancakes in the usual manner. They're fluffy, delectable, and pair perfectly with maple syrup. Moving to number 6, the classic spinach and feta omelette. The primary ingredient here is eggs, providing you not only a good dose of protein but also a host of nutrients that can aid your weight loss journey. The protein content in eggs plays a role in weight loss, leaving you feeling full and satisfied. The unique combination of spinach and feta cheese is what makes this omelette stand out. Spinach, a nutritional dynamo, is enriched with vitamins and minerals that foster your overall health. It infuses your omelette with a burst of flavor and beneficial nutrients. Feta cheese, on the other hand, contributes creaminess and a delicious taste, making this not merely nutritious but also exceptionally tasty. Here's how to prepare. Just whisk your eggs, stir in the spinach and feta, and cook until fluffy. So, when you relish a spinach and feta omelette, it's not just about kickstarting your day. It's about treating your body to essential nutrients and high-quality protein that can help you maintain your muscle mass and support your weight loss goals. Number 7, Chia Pudding. Not just a fantastic make-ahead breakfast, but also a rich source of proteins and fiber that can help in your weight loss mission. The protein in chia seeds aids muscle growth and repair, and the fiber provides a feeling of fullness, reducing overeating tendencies. Here's a quick recipe one can follow. Simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk and let it sit overnight. Come morning, garnish it with your preferred and voila, your nutrient-packed breakfast is good to go. So, when you whip up chia pudding for breakfast, you're not just preparing a delicious dish, but you're also nourishing your body with protein and fiber to support your weight loss efforts. Next, we introduce you to number 8, the peanut butter banana smoothie, a quick and easy breakfast option that's more than just a mouth-watering treat. This creamy delight, a blend of bananas, peanut, and milk, is a superfood in disguise that can supercharge your weight loss journey. Let's delve into its nutritious profile. Peanut butter is a protein powerhouse and a treasure trove of healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats that keep you satiated and curb those unhealthy snack cravings. The bananas integrated into this concoction supply natural sweetness, coupled with a wealth of vitamins and minerals like potassium, vital for total health. This blending of protein, wholesome fats, and nutrients makes the peanut butter banana smoothie not just a scrumptious choice, but also a tactical one on your weight loss path. Let's proceed to number 9, the Tofu Scramble, a superb vegan option for breakfast which is loaded with healthy plant-based protein. Tofu, hailing from soybeans, is not just a good source, it's a remarkable source of plant-based protein. Plus, its versatility is unmatched. The move here isn't merely about eliminating meat, it's about hand-picking a protein source that aligns with your weight loss aspirations. Picture tofu as a canvas, absorbing the flavors it's cooked with. When aiming to lower your calorie consumption but still fulfill your protein needs, tofu emerges as an exceptional substitute to animal-derived products. The seasoning of tofu can be personalized to cater to your palate and generate a fulfilling breakfast that not only keeps you satiated, but also aids in your weight loss mission. Therefore, when you opt for a tofu scramble, you're not simply consuming a plant-powered breakfast, you're supplying your body with indispensable protein, devoid of the saturated fats that some animal products harbor. It's a tactical selection, one that endorses your weight loss objectives while feeding your body. Just crumble up some tofu, toss in your preferred, and cook until it reaches a golden hue. Indulge in this delicious and nutritious start to your day. Number 10. The regal salmon and avocado toast. We're often told that breakfast is the king of meals, and what better way to start your day than with a king's breakfast? This isn't just any breakfast option, it's a luxurious choice that's packed with health benefits. The radiating star in this meal is the salmon, boasting high levels of protein and omega-3 fatty acids that contribute to a range of health benefits, including weight management. Moving on to its royal consort, the avocado, it comes forward with an ensemble of healthy fats and a unique nutrient mix, creating a sense of fullness and satisfaction. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are known for supporting your overall health and well-being. Hence, as you lavish your toast with avocado and top it with smoked salmon, you're not just having a breakfast fit for a king, but also making a strategic choice that supports your weight loss goals. Number 11, cottage cheese and berries. A simple and refreshing breakfast option, yet loaded with benefits essential for weight management. High in protein content, cottage cheese plays a vital role in keeping your hunger pangs at bay, while aiding in muscle buildup and upkeep. This protein-rich cheese, when combined with berries, brings a refreshing twist to the dish. Berries, known for their high antioxidant content, not only reduce oxidative stress, but also contribute to your overall wellness. They lend a touch of natural sweetness to the meal, eliminating the need for added sugars. Therefore, when you opt for a layered breakfast of cottage cheese and berries, what you get is not just a quick-fix meal, it's a nutrition-packed start to your day with protein and antioxidants that'll keep you satiated and assist in weight loss. Our 12th recommendation is the hearty and protein-packed black bean breakfast burrito. Not only is it a savory delight, but it's also an intelligent addition to your weight loss journey. The burrito is loaded with black beans, an excellent source of plant-based protein and dietary fiber. A combination that ensures you feel satisfied and full, warding off the urge to reach for less healthy snacks later in the day. But that's not all. The dietary fiber in black beans also aids in stabilizing your blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect in managing your hunger and preventing those mid-morning cravings that can derail your weight loss objectives. Plus, it's generously stuffed with eggs and cheese, all wrapped in a tortilla, promising a breakfast that will keep you satiated until lunch. So, opting for a black bean breakfast burrito isn't just about enjoying a delicious meal, it's a strategic decision for your weight loss journey that keeps you full, satisfied, and energized. Let's wrap this up with number 13, overnight protein oats. Not only is this a handy breakfast option, it's also a strategic choice for your weight loss journey. Just mix some oats with protein powder and milk, and let it sit overnight. By morning, you can just add your favorite toppings and voila, breakfast is served. But are these oats so beneficial? The magic lies in the rolled oats and the added protein. Oats are a rich source of dietary fiber, especially a variety known as beta-glucans. This fiber transforms into a gel-like substance in your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer, maintaining stable blood sugar levels, and thus preventing hunger pangs and overeating. Now, by adding protein powder to your oats, you're getting an extra dose of high-quality protein. This protein helps you maintain your muscle mass and promotes feelings of fullness. Plus, it burns more calories during digestion than fats or carbohydrates. So, when you choose overnight protein oats, you're not just saving time in the morning, you're making a strategic choice for your weight loss journey, providing your body with the tools it needs to keep you full, satisfied, and on the path to success. There you have it, folks. 13 high-protein breakfast ideas to lose weight. Remember, change takes time and dedication. Start small, stay committed, and watch as your life takes a magical turn. Thanks for joining us today. We hope these 13 high-protein breakfast ideas inspire you to kickstart your day and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, every small step counts on your journey to success. So, making informed choices in your diet is the first step towards a healthier, happier you. If you find this video helpful and inspiring, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more inspiring content. Your support is greatly appreciated. Wishing you a day filled with motivation and success. See you in the next video.